At Independence High School, we are a community of future-ready learners, educators, and leaders who prepare our students for success beyond academics. We want our students to embrace challenges, innovate, collaborate with one another, contribute in our society, and leave us ready to respond to whatever the future holds.
I love being a student at Independence because it has taught me so much through the years, and our school really is a close-knit family. We have students and teachers with great personal connections that bleed purple in everything that we do. We've just really grown to have a strong connection between our school and all our programs due to our traditions and how well we've just kept our legacy throughout this school.
We have the absolutely best students in Frisco ISD. We love our kids. We have so much fun in the classroom learning new things because learning new things is cool and fun, and we love to support our kids outside of the classroom in fine arts and athletics and academic competitions. Our kids are the best, and any chance to celebrate them, we take it.
All students at Independence High School receive an education that will prepare them for the future. Teachers collaborate to provide engaging standards-based instruction designed to meet all of the needs of our kids. The students have access to high-quality content and are well-advanced opportunities in subjects where students would like to develop expertise.
Independence High School has been one of the most foundational experiences for me. Our teachers make so much time for us to ask questions. I was able to excel as a student, and me and my family are very great for that because I wouldn't have been here without the help of my teachers and the opportunities here.
A lot of the things that Independence does is just really helpful for a lot of students to kind of get out of their comfort zones, and I feel like that's done that for me. And so I feel like people coming here, they should know that Independence is a very, very good school, and they'll have so much fun here.